Hi everybody. So I'm just gonna do a really quick demo of the Thoth initialization workflow. So basically all that is on a repository that doesn't have Kebashet installed. We've added a workflow that can be added that could be triggered by like a button press on a website or um, somewhere else that will just open a PR with a basic advise and the Capuchet managers and it .thought.yaml initialize. So um, advise. This isn't going to work right now because the API endpoint that my example repository um, was using is down. So we have a connection error. But I do have an old version, an old demo that I had here. So this is the basic format. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can actually read it. So it's basically just a nice little thank you for your interest, and then the initial dependency lock. This one already had a .thought.yaml, but if it hadn't, then this would basically the one on the right would be the one that it initializes as. Um, and then it also creates a pip file. And then in this case, the pip file.lock didn't change, but the pip file.lock would also be present in the pull request. So in this case, you just have, actually this one doesn't have any dependencies, but if it had dependencies, then you'd have, oh wait, no, there is dependencies, there's click. I've got confused for a hot sec. Yeah, so in the pip file, you just have the click dependencies locked down to whatever versions that Thoth gives it. Yeah, so that's basically it. Very simple. A little demo of a new workflow, I guess.
Okay, thank you, Kevin. And are there any questions? If not, thank you.